Hey guys, welcome to my Rails Developer Highlight Reel, where I'll be talking about some of my favorite things that I built in 2017. Right off the bat, let's talk about an application called Social Charts. This feature allows users to sign into their social media apps in order to track all of their statistics over time. The authentication process uses OAuth 2.0 in order to interact with each social media app's API, and from there, the stats are pulled into the database on a daily basis, and Google Charts library is used to visualize that data. Getting a little more practical, the next feature is a billing integration that uses Stripe. The user enters their credit card information, and from there, a recurring subscription charge is automatically set up using that card. I automatically wanted to let the user know that everything is functioning as intended, so I send them an email to let them know that their payment method has been updated. We'll talk a bit about that email process in the next feature. In order to enable transactional email distribution, I configured Rails Action Mailer to use the SendGrid API. Here you can design HTML newsletters and preview them before sending them out to anyone that is signed up using your contact form. The following feature allows you to ask your audience a question and pull their responses. While the backend architecture of this may be fairly complex, the use of nested forms to create these polls hides that complexity and makes it look dead simple to the user. The last feature that we'll talk about today is kind of special to me because it started out as a hacking project. I was creating an API explorer that allowed you to check out any method for a given API that you had integrated with, and from there we decided to dive into the YouTube comments method, allowing users to search for specific keywords, then returning all of the comments that contained that keyword for a given video, and ranking those comments using sentiment analysis. So at the top, you've got all the happiest comments, and then down toward the bottom, you've got all the really negative comments. Thanks so much for checking out my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I certainly had a lot of fun making these features. For the next challenges that I'm going to be taking on to continue growing, it's going to be background processing and scheduled jobs using Rescue, and caching API responses using Redis. Take care.